This is the new abrasive Systainer that replaces 3 T-LOC Systainers. When we open it up, you'll see inside it's a 1/112 in height Systainer, but it takes and will utilize the 5-inch or 125mm paper. It also works with the Delta paper, which is for your DTS 400 or your DTSC 400. But it also works for the 80 by 133mm paper, which is for your RTS 400 or your LS 130 or your RTSC 400 cordless sanders. All in one Systainer. This is the new Generation 3 abrasive Systainer for your 150 paper or your 6-inch paper. It comes in the 237 in height millimeter, and inside you'll see you can store in 10 slots all your different 6-inch abrasives. Hey, this is the new Generation 3 abrasive Systainer for your Rotex 90 paper. Inside, when we see, you'll see there it holds the round paper for your RO90, but it also, in the same Systainer, holds your triangular paper for that detail pad. Hey, this is the new Generation 3 router bit storage Systainer, and when we look inside, it holds all your 8mm, 1/4 inch, and 1/2 inch shank router bits, all in the 137 in height Systainer.